Welcome back to my channel, Simply Family. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all so much for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the JLO Beauty skincare. It's not, I don't have the total skincare, but I have of course skincare, let me put it in quotes, and you always see the reason why I decided to put it in quotes. All right, this box was sent to me by influencers, so I decided to feature it here also on Instagram, on my TikTok as well, in order for you guys to see what I'm talking about. So I did the unboxing of this video right about when I woke up, and you're gonna see where I don't have anything on my face, like right from the bed off to the front of the camera. Trust me guys, I didn't even brush. I just set up and decided to come just like the way I look whenever I wake up. That's what you guys are looking at right now. And I went ahead and I opened this box for you guys to see what I have in there. Inside the box, I have what is called the JLO Beauty that blockbuster wonder cream. This cream, it's not the one that has an SPF. She has a whole lot of ranges of this JLO Beauty products. That they have the one that has the sunscreen, which is advisable for you to use during the day, which I don't have. That's not what they sent to me, so I'm not going to be featuring that in this video, but I am going to be showing you guys what these products are by just putting them on the screen. Of course, I'm going to show you guys what I was sent what they sent to me. All right, before we move into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. And please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. All right, without wasting much of your time guys, let's jump right into this video. So on the screen, you all might have seen, or you're just about to see what I'm talking about, the JLO Beauty product. They have all range of products. All right guys, when I look at this side, I'm looking at my screen because my camera is acting up now. Like I'll think I'm recording, and at the end of the day I will look at it and it's already stopped. So I don't want to waste too much of time. So anytime you see me looking down right here is because I'm trying to manage and monitor my screen. All right guys, so they sent me, influencer sent me this box, and it contained JLO Beauty products. What you all have seen on the screen are about to see. Like I said earlier before, inside this box I have what is called the that blockbuster in a non-stop wonder cream. All right, this particular product is sold for $58 and this is the one they said to me is 1.7 fluid ounces, 60 ml, and this is the one I'm talking about, present it to you guys. And this is how this look like. They also have the one that you could use. I decided I'm going to be using this at night, and also this is going to be my first impression and my final review, because this is not the whole lot of range of their products, so I don't want to waste too much of time, I'm not about to go buy all of the rest product. And the reason is because I have the one I'm working on right now, and I don't want to do too much too much on my skin, using that. Okay, all right, if I'm experimenting, I like to stay true to that till 4 weeks, 5 weeks, and I'll come back. Well, just because I have just these two products from JLO Beauty product, that's the one I'm going to be staying with, and I'm going to be using this only at night. And the reason is because it doesn't have an SPF. They also have the one that has an SPF. That one is called the Big Screen in a broad spectrum SPF 30 moisturizer. That one is sold for $54. So inside the box I also have what is called the JLO highlight bronze diffuse. This is their dark star filter. All right, it comes in 4 shades. I believe they sent this rich browns. This is the one. I believe they sent the rich browns to me, and I will show you the shade on the screen for you guys to see and how I used it. This is the reason why I said I'm going to do my first impression and final review, because this is not skincare, so I don't want to waste much of time on it. This bronze diffuse, that star filter, it's what it's called. You can use it to mix with your foundation, or you just put it on the highest part of your face, like where you want that light to pop, like on your cheekbone, you put it on your forehead, you put it on the bridge of your nose, you put it under your chin, you know, those places that you want the light to hit, those are the places that they recommend you put it. And it comes in 4 shades. Like I said, they have what is called, they have the pink champagne, they have the rose gold, they have the warm browns, and they have the rich browns, which I believe is the shade that they sent to me. And also you can, like I said, you can use for all over JLO. You can mix it with the Blockbuster, is a non-stop wonder cream, which they sent to me, or also you could mix it with your liquid foundation. For a bronzing or highlighting effect, apply it on the eye point of your face, just what I mentioned earlier on, you know, cheekbone and down on the bridge of the nose. So this is what they wrote on their website, and those are the things I already mentioned earlier on, in order not to prolong this video. All right guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and just open it like I already did, you know, already open it. I love the packaging. The packaging is so inviting, so luxurious. Like, it looks so expensive. You would think it's something that would worth like $150 kind of, you know. Just look at it, and this is $58, like I said, and this is how it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you my impression about, you know, the scent. It doesn't really have any scent. Like, the scent is not overpowering at all. And I'm going to tell you guys what this product are, the ingredients, not everything, because I don't want to bore you guys out. Let me go ahead and let you talk about the consistency. The consistency blended smoothly. You can see it on the screen when I apply it on my face and how I blended it. It's so, like, it blended in perfectly. All right, and it's white in color. All right, and no overpowering smell at all, no overpowering scent. Let me use that word. It's like a babyish kind of scent, like, you know, this baby cream. Like, it's very faint, very light. You can't really tell, like, okay, that this is what this thing is made of. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly tell you what they have in that product, the ingredients. I'll quickly read it to you from their website, and talk about the star filter bronzer. Then we wrap up this video. That Blockbuster in a non-stop wonder cream. If I did mention earlier, I would like to put it out there that this skincare line, they are anti-aging. You know how old she is, and you see how amazing she's looking like. So she did this, she made this product tailored towards anti-aging. All right, we all want to look young. Who doesn't want to look young? Of course, aging is inevitable, but you can slowly slow down the process. All right, that's what I believe. All right, so in there they have this next gen ioric acid fluid formula, packed continuous hydration, brightening, smoothing, and plumping your look back to a superstar glow status. All right, it plump, hydrate, and nourish your skin. And what they have in there, the ingredient that they have in there, they have olive complex, our antioxidant rich 4-part olive blend of squalane, fermented oil, extra virgin oil, and leaf extract is clinically shown to deliver all-day moisturizing and that star glow. So they have ioric acid in it. They have yeast derived ferments known for its antioxidant and smoothing properties, leave skin feeling silky soft, which I felt when I put it on my skin. I'm not kidding with you guys, and I'm not joking. They have pointed peptides that combines the antioxidant power of tea with the calming silk of honey for a luminous, youthful complexion. It's free from paraffins, from mineral oils and dyes. Okay, so those are the ingredients they have there. They have many more you could research, but I don't want to bore you guys out. So with all those things that it sounds, all those are products that they put, sounds really good. So the bottom line of this product is it's meant to plump, hydrate, and nourish your skin, and it's an anti-aging. It's worth trying. I love how it feels. It has that silky feeling when I applied it on my skin, and it just moisturized my skin too. So that's what I can say about it. Don't forget, it's $58, and you can check up on their website and you see more information about this product. So inside this the star filter, that is what is written on it. The ingredient they have inside of this one, they have the mineral pigments, visibly diffuse light, blur imperfections, and give skin a megawatt lit from within radiance. That sounds amazing. It has vitamin E, famous for fighting off free radicals, and is an antioxidant protection powerhouse, and it is also free from paraffin, it's free from mineral oils, dyes, and fragrance. If you worry about fragrance in your skincare. All right guys, so this is all I have to say about this product today. It's worth trying. I love how the bronzer feels when I apply it on my cheekbone, on my forehead, on my chin, on my bridge of my nose. It blended smoothly. Like I mentioned earlier on, they have 4 shades of. This one is sold for $39 for one-time purchase, and they have subscribe and save 15% kind of thing going on, so you pay $33.15. They have the starter pack is what they sent to me, and this 2 starter pack, it's $176 for you to start. This is the starter pack. That's how it is put in on their website. Anyway guys, you can go ahead and Google JLO beauty website and see all the amazing stuff they have there. These products are anti-aging, and guys, you all want to look like so young, right? Anyway guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video, and if you haven't subscribed before, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.